Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter F. Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter F. The letter F is equivalent to the letter F, as in the word FIFA. F is easy to pronounce. Now try to write it with me. Let's see the three basic voweling signs, when used with F. First, here's the Fathah. The pronunciation now will be F. Next, this is a Kasra. The pronunciation now will be F. And finally, there's a Dammah, it, now pronounced as F. Listen again. F. 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 Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When F is written with Fathah mark, the pronunciation now will be F. Try to write it with Fathah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
Fem
means mouth.
Fa me Fem.
Now let's join these letters together.
Fa me Fem.
When F is written with Kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be
F.
Try to write it with Kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
Fil
means elephant.
Fi li li Fil.
Now let's join these letters together.
Fi li li Fil.
When F is written with Dammah mark, the pronunciation now will be
Fu.
Try to write it with Dammah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
Fustan
means dress.
Fu si ta ta ni Fustan.
Now let's join these letters together.
Fu si ta ta ni Fustan.
The letter F has four possible positions: isolated, beginning, medial, and end. Let's write them. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like
فقر
means poverty.
ف قي ري فقر.
Now let's join these letters together.
ف قي ري فقر.
And next.
فشل
Means failure.
ف ش ل فشل.
Now let's join these letters together.
ف ش ل فشل.
And next.
فخر
Means pride.
ف خي ري
فخر.
Now let's join these letters together.
ف خي ري
فخر.
Here's how to write the middle form. Like
سفر
means traveling.
س ف ري سفر.
Now let's join these letters together.
س ف ري سفر.
And next.
قفل
Means the lock.
قي في ل قفل.
Now let's join these letters together.
قي في ل قفل.
When those exception letters come before the letter
ف
it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. For example,
وفد
means delegation.
و في دي وفد.
Now let's join these letters together.
و في دي وفد.
And next,
رفض رفض
means refusal or rejection.
را في ض رفض رفض.
Now let's join these letters together.
را في ض رفض رفض.
Here is how to write the in form. Like
صف
means row.
ص في صف.
Now let's join these letters together.
ص في صف.
And next,
عنف
means violence.
ع ني في عنف.
Now let's join these letters together.
ع ني في عنف.
And next,
كفيف
means blind.
ك في ي في كفيف.
Now let's join these letters together.
ك في ي في كفيف.
When those exception letters come before the letter
ف
it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. For example,
حرف
means letter.
ح ر في حرف.
Now let's join these letters together.
ح ر في حرف.
And next,
صوف
means wool.
ص و في صوف.
Now let's join these letters together.
ص و في صوف.
And next,
زفاف
means wedding.
ز ف ف في زفاف.
Now let's join these letters together.
ز ف ف في زفاف.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions. Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.